how to upload MP3 voice file to ManyChat. So first go to your account and then just click on automation here. Next is you can either create a new automation or just select one of your existing automations. So I'll just do that. I'll just click on one of my automations. Now, in order for you to upload audio files or MP3 files, you just need to click on this send message option. If you don't have this, just click on next step. No, click on this one and then just click on either Instagram or Messenger, whichever you want, and then you will have a send message option like this. Now once you have send message option, you just need to click on add one of the contact blocks here, click on more, click on audio, and there you go. Now if you want to add an MP3 file, just need to click on this button here and you will be able to upload your MP3 file. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.